let's get wet. How to optimize your time in the water. I'm Patty, Master Scuba Diver Trainer Jimmy, and I'd like to teach you about wetsuits. In this class, you'll learn how to select the correct suit and get the correct size of wetsuit that you're going to need for the conditions of the water that you'll be going into. Then I'm going to share with you some of my pro tips and tricks of getting in and out of that wetsuit without struggling, without putting a lot of effort into it. It's actually really easy if you know how to do it. And then finally, we're going to learn how to maintain and care for a wetsuit so that it's ready for you the next time you want to go out and use it. Let's get started.
Now let's talk about how to create your project for this class. The first thing you'll want to do is select a wetsuit. Next, you'll don the wetsuit. Don means to put on. Try to use the tips and tricks you learned in this class to make it easier. Then take a picture or make a short video of yourself in the wetsuit. Use the Create Project link to upload an image or add video content to the class project gallery. To finish up, please share your feedback about this class.